Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the language on your Google account. To change your language settings, simply go to account.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard that looks like this. From here, head over to the Personal Info menu on the left sidebar. Scroll down a bit and click on the language option. You can actually jump straight to these settings by going directly to myaccount.google.com/language. Now, under the Preferred Language section, you'll see the main language currently set for your Google account. To change it, just click on the pen icon. Choose your new language. If that language is spoken in multiple countries, you can select a specific region and then hit Save. Alternatively, you can add a new language by clicking the Add Another Language button at the bottom. Pick your language and hit Save. Now you'll have multiple languages listed. If you ever want to switch between them, just click the up arrow icon next to a language. This will push your selected language to the top as the primary one, making it super fast to switch languages on your account in the future. Keep in mind, when you change your language settings here, it will automatically apply to all other Google services, unless a specific app has its own separate language settings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.